Finding the right apparel partner is about much more than just outfitting your team. It's about showcasing their professionalism, promoting shared company pride, and elevating your brand. At Cintas, we see work apparel through a different lens. We're not just designing and selling garments, we're crafting comprehensive apparel solutions. That's why we created Apparel Plus. Our process begins with you, the professionals who wear our apparel every day. Your feedback shapes our innovations and inspires our offering of on-trend styles that set a new standard for comfort, functionality, and performance for almost every job imaginable. But Apparel Plus is more than just great garments. It's a complete package that takes care of every detail, every time. Starting with your bottom line. Our weekly pricing model means no upfront investment, keeping your capital where it belongs, powering your business forward. And when it comes to service, we're always ready. With more than 350 locations across North America, your staff has the apparel they need when they need it, including repairs and size changes. No waiting, no delays. Leveraging industry-leading technology, our wash process is more water and energy efficient than home laundry, providing your team with garments that are crisp, clean, and ready to wear. Apparel Plus makes running your program as effortless as it should be, so you can focus on what matters. At the end of the day, what we offer is confidence, reliability, the assurance that when your team puts on our apparel, they're ready for anything. Apparel Plus from Cintas. Your business, always in focus.